Meaning of estranged.
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 Estranged. Estranged refers to a state when two individuals who were previously in close or friendly relationship become distant and emotionally disconnected from each other. This can happen due to many reasons such as prolonged absence, lack of communication, misunderstandings, or disagreements. The result of being estranged is that the former closeness and intimacy are lost, replaced with feelings of alienation, bitterness, or apathy. It often leads to a breakdown in communication and difficulty in resolving conflicts, which can be emotionally painful and difficult to overcome.